Your brain doesn't want success. It wants safety. And that's why you feel stuck, even when you know what to do. You set goals, you feel motivated. Then something strange happens. You hesitate. You delay. You choose comfort. Not because you're lazy, not because you're broken, but because your brain is pulling the emergency brake. Your brain is not a success machine. It's a survival engine. Its job isn't to make you win. Its job is to keep you alive. In the wild, new equals danger. Unknown equals death. Comfort equals safety. That wiring never updated. So when you try to grow, start a project, speak up, change your routine, your brain sounds the alarm. Heart tightens, thoughts race, energy drops. Not because it's wrong, but because it's unfamiliar. Imagine success as climbing a ladder. Each new rung is higher, but your brain sees it as thinner, riskier. So it whispers, stay where you are. At least it's safe down here. Step 1. Stop calling fear a flaw. Fear is not a stop sign. It's a signal. It means you are leaving the known zone. That's not danger, that's direction. Step 2. Shrink the threat. Your brain panics at big jumps, but it relaxes with small steps. Don't climb the ladder, touch the first rung. 5 minutes, one message, one page. Safety stays intact. Progress begins. Step 3. Train your brain with proof. Every time you act and survive, your brain updates the file. Maybe this isn't dangerous. Maybe this is safe. Confidence is stored experience. Step 4. Change the identity. Don't say, I'm trying to be disciplined. Say, I'm someone who shows up. Brains protect identities. Give it one worth protecting. Step 5. Expect discomfort. Growth feels unsafe at first. That's the entry fee. Comfort is a cage. Discomfort is the doorway. Walk through it anyway. You don't need more motivation. You need more self-trust. Every small action is a vote, a signal to your brain. I can do hard things, and I'll be okay. That's how safety becomes success. If this hit you, don't scroll. Take one small action today, then come back tomorrow. Your future self is waiting, and this is how you meet them.